The first time I performed on stage. The first time of doing anything scares us always, but in my case, this is not true. I was only 3 years when I had to perform on stage for the first time. I attended a cultural event in my neighborhood with my parents. There, a play was to be held within a half hour. Suddenly, one of the organizers came to my mother and told that their child artist was not coming and she wanted me to be a part of the play. It was very short but important role. My mother refused at first, but then she agreed. They trained me within a very short span of time. I was ready to do what they said. I didn't know what was all that happening, so I was not nervous. I kept in mind what my mother said me to do on the stage. It was just a task for me. So I enjoyed my first performance on the stage without any fear. Thank you. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. And if you want more paragraphs, you can see in the description box. Thank you.